Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the cable and blade of your Thermomix TM21. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and a cleaning cloth. First, unplug your Thermomix TM21 from the power source. Safety is our priority. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the base of the machine. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover to expose the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris. It's advisable to clean the internal area with a cloth to maintain optimal performance. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the existing cable connection. Use your pliers to carefully disconnect the old cable from the circuit board. Take note of how the cable is connected, as you will replicate this with the new cable. If you don't have the necessary tools for this task, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs convenient for you. Next, take your new cable and connect it to the circuit board, ensuring it's secure and properly positioned. It's crucial to double-check all connections before reassembling your machine. Now, let's move on to the blade replacement. Carefully remove the old blade from the mixing bowl. This may require some gentle twisting. Inspect the blade for any signs of wear or damage. A worn-out blade can affect food preparation. Insert the new blade into the mixing bowl, ensuring it is seated correctly. This is an important step, as a misaligned blade can lead to operational issues. Once the blade is in place, wipe down the inside of the bowl to ensure no debris is left behind. At this point, you should have both the new cable and blade installed. If you're feeling uncertain about any step of this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, which can help you make an informed decision on whether to proceed with a DIY repair or seek professional help. Now, reattach the base cover of your Thermomix TM21, aligning it properly before securing it with the screws you removed earlier. This ensures that everything is sealed correctly and will function as intended. Finally, plug your Thermomix back into the power source and test the new blade and cable. You should hear the familiar sound of the motor running smoothly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable and blade on your Thermomix TM21. If you encounter any issues, our services are just a call away, and remember, no calls, no travel, just reliable assistance at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.